What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix YouTube not showing comments on your YouTube account. So maybe you want to watch some videos and you only see one comment or two comments, or maybe you don't see any comments. So here is exactly how you can fix the problem. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go to your YouTube account. Make sure you log in into your YouTube account, okay? And what you want to do, guys, you want to click your profile in the top right corner, and after that you want to click settings. After that you want to click general, and after that you want to turn off restricted mode, because most people have this problem. They just have restricted mode on. So when you have a restricted mode on, you won't be able to see some comments or maybe all comments. So turn it off and go to the video that you want to watch and see if there are comments or not. If not, here is another solution, guys. All you have to do is go to App Store or Play Store, okay? It doesn't matter what phone you are using, and go to let me go to App Store. What you want to do, guys, you want to search YouTube, okay? Just search YouTube, and then what you want to do, guys, and then click update. Just open YouTube and act like you want to install it, but in fact you just want to see if there is an update or not. So for me, I have to update the app. Like I said, just click update, or if you have Android, it will say update too. So just update it to the latest version and see if problem is fixed or not. If not, here is exactly how you can do it, how we can fix this problem. If this problem doesn't fix if this update doesn't fix the problem. So after you update the app, open your videos and see if there are comments or not. If the problem is still there, you want to go to settings if you are using iPhone, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and then click general, and then click iPhone storage, okay? So after you click on iPhone storage, you want to search to YouTube. Just look for YouTube. Here is YouTube, and you want to offload the app. If you are using Android, you want to like uninstall the app and install it again. That's exactly how. So just offload and then reinstall it again. Click reinstall, and then wait a few seconds and see if the problem is fixed. If not, I don't know if there is any solution, another solution. So I hope this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.